CAM, the lead oxide specialists.
Good morning everyone and welcome back to Camelan. Today I want to share with you a real case history of lead oxide production by lead shaver. So I mean zero gas emission. So we are talking about an installation made in Colombia 1 year ago.
Yeah.
Here with me there is Matteo, the technical director of CAM, and in that case the manager of the startup of our equipment there. Hi Matteo, how are you?
I'm really fine, thank you.
So we are talking about a zero gas emission lead oxide production. So Matteo, what about this installation, this startup?
I think it was a really nice job in Colombia, Barranquilla, and because finally we saw completely plant without gas emission. So because of the lead shaver, and so the results was really good,
yeah.
About the acid absorption and the oxidation and I was really happy because
in the past some
yes, I had some trouble with other customers that believe with using the shaver it's not possible to gain the good oxidation, but it's not true. These things. That's why it was the real case to show to the world
that the better thing.
Yes, no, this way is possible and it's a good way. So that's why I'm happy.
Yeah. So in this case, we commissioned, and now they are producing every day more than 3,000 battery per day. So after 1 year, we can make this video and what can produce, installed, and but most of all, the important thing is the why, because the important thing is the experience of a manager like you, an operator and CEO. This is the important thing for you. For example, maybe you are a decision maker of lead battery industry for your company. It's important to understand what are you buying. And for this reason, I want to share with you a review of one of my friends of this company. We contacted CAM because we wanted to increase the production and quality of our batteries. After installation, there was still a significant improvement in the stability and quality of the oxide production and plate curing. I noticed that the robustness and stability of the CAM equipment are designed not only for the best product quality, but also for the durability of the machines, reduction of process time, and improvement in the quality of the plates. Yes, 100% recommended. Very good product quality, a team of professional and friendly workers, and the delivery times were met as agreed. So, if you want to read all our review, I will put the link below. You can just click on the button. But in any case, if you want to improve and grow up in the lead battery industry, you have to just call us, send a message, an email in all our contacts, and We will keep in touch for your next investment and for your better life. That's it. Yes?
For sure.
Okay. I am Francesco Marfisi,
I am Matteo.
live from CAM, the lead oxide specialist. Bye.
CAM, the lead oxide specialists.